Question number 1 C. 3 by 40. 3 by 40 multiplied by 100. 0 and 0 is simplified. 4 and 10 can be simplified in two table. 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So 5 3s are 15 by 2. That when you divide, you will be getting 7.5 percentage. D. 2 by 7. 2 by 7 multiplied by 100. 2 and 7 cannot be simplified. So 2 into 100 is 200 by 7. That when you divide 200 by 7, you will be getting it 28.4 by 7 percentage. Question number 2. Convert the given decimal fractions into percents. So it is given decimal fraction 0.65. So first one is convert the decimal into a fraction first. So 65 0.65, that it will become 65 by 100. Then you have to multiply by 100. So 100 and 100 get simplified. You are left with 65. That is the percentage. 65 percentage. Second one, B is 2.1. As after the point, you are having one place value, 10th place value. So 21 by 10 into 100. 10 and 100 can be simplified. So that will become 10. That is equal to 210 percentage. C 0.02. After the decimal, you are having two digits. So 2 by 100 multiplied by 100. 100 and 100 get simplified. So 2%. D 12.35. After the decimal, you are having two digits. So it will become 100. So 1235 divided by 100 into 100. 100 and 100 get simplified. So the answer is 1235 percentage. Question number 3. Estimate what part of the figure is colored. So first you have to find out what part it was colored. And hence find the percent which is colored. So you have to find out afterwards how much percentage is colored. So first one is that in this one 1 by 4 of the figure is colored. 1 by 4 only. The circle is divided into 4 parts. Out of this one part is colored. So it is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of the figure is colored. For that percentage, 1 by 4 into 100. 4 and 100 will be simplified. It is in 4 table. 100 is 25 times. So 25 percentage. The second one, in this one, there are 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of that, 3 parts was colored. So therefore, 3 by 5 of the figure is colored. To find out the percentage, 3 by 5 multiplied by 100. 5 and 100 will be simplified. In 5 table, 10 is 2 times. So 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60 percentage. Third one. In this one, there are 8 parts. Out of this, 3 parts was shaded. So it is 3 by 8 of the figure is colored. Here, 3 by 8, to find out the percentage, 3 by 8 multiplied by 100. 8 and 100 will be simplified by 4 table. 4 2s are 8 and 100 is for 25 times. So 3 into 25 is 75 divided by 2. In 75 divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, 1 will be 15, 7 2s are 15. Here the decimal is coming. So when you keep the decimal, you have to, after keeping the 0, you have to keep the decimal. So it will become 10. So 5 2s are 10. So the answer is 37.5 percentage. Question number 4. Find 15% of 250. So here first 15% we convert into the percentage into a fraction. So 15 by 100 of 250. What is meaning of is multiply. So 15 by 100 into 250. 0 and 0 get simplified. 10 and 25 can be simplified with the 5 table. 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. Now we are left with 15 and 5. So 15 5s are 75 and 2 is left in the denominator. So 75 by 2. So when you divide 75 and 2, you will be getting it 37.5. B. 1% of 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 by 100 percentage we have converted into fraction. So 1 by 100 of 60 minutes. 1 by 100 into 60. 60 and 100 is simplified. So 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. So we are left with 3 by 5 into 60. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So 3 by 5 into 60. 5 and 60 can be simplified. It will be 60 in 5 table 12 times. So 3 12s are 36 seconds. C. 20% of rupees 2500. So first we convert the percentage into a fraction. So 20 by 100 of 2500. 20 by 100 of is multiplied. So 20 by 100 multiplied by 2500. 2 zeros and 2 zeros are simplified. So 20 into 25. 25 twos are 50 and 1 more 0. So the answer is rupees 500. D. 75% of 1 kg. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 75 by 100 of 1000 grams. 75 by 100 into 1000. 100 and 1000 is simplified, left with 1 0. So 75 into 10 is 750 grams. Question number 5. Find the whole quantity if A. 5% of it is 600. It is the whole quantity. So let the whole quantity be x. Then 5% of x equal to 600. So 5% is 5 by 100 multiplied by x equal to 600. X equal to 600. Reciprocal of 500 will go that side. So it will be 600 into 100 divided by 5. 5 and 600 will be simplified. It will be 120 into 100. That will become 12,000. Thus the whole quantity is 12,000. B. 12% of it is rupees 1080. So let the whole quantity be x. Then 12% of x equal to 1080. 12%, 12 by 100 multiplied by x equal to 1080. X equal to 1080, reciprocal of 12 by 100. So 100 by 12. 12 and 108 can be simplified in 12 table. 9 times 108. So 90 into 100 is 9000. Thus, the whole quantity is 9000. C. 40% of it is 500 km. So, let the whole quantity be x. 40% of x equal to 500. 40%, 40 by 100 into x equal to 500. So, x equal to 500 into 100 by 40. 0 and 0 get simplified. So 50 into 100 divided by 4. 4 and 100 can be simplified. In 4 table 100 is 25 times. So 50 into 25. So 25 5s are 125 and 1 0. So 1250. Thus the whole quantity is 1250. D. 70% of it is 14 minutes. So let the whole quantity be x. Then 70% of x equal to 14. 70 by 100 or into x equal to 14. So x equal to 14 into 100 divided by 70. 0 and 0 get simplified. And 7 and 14 can be simplified in 7 table. 7 1s are, 7 2s are 14. So 2 into 10 equal to 20. Thus the whole quantity is 20. E. 8% of it is 40 liters. So answer is, let the whole quantity be x. Then 8% of x equal to 40. So 8% is 8 by 100 multiplied by x equal to 40. X equal to 40 into 100 by 8. 8 and 40 can be simplified in 8 table. 8 1s are and 8 5s are. So 5 into 100 is 500. Thus the whole quantity is 500. Question number 6. Convert given percents to decimal fraction. So first you have to convert the fraction into a decimal, given percent into a decimal fractions, and then that fraction in the simplest forms. You have to reduce to the simplest form. The question is 25%. So 25 by 100, the decimal part will become 0.25. As you are having in the denominator 100, after the decimal there should be 2 place values, so 0.25. Now 25 by 100 can be simplified. So in 4 table, in 25 table it will be 125s are and 25 4s are 100. B. 150%. So 150 by 100 it will become 1.50. And if we are simplifying this 150 and 100, it will be in 0 and 0 is simplified. 15 and 10 will go in 5 table. 3 5s are and 2 5s are. So 3 by 2 is the answer. Question number 6. Convert given percents to decimal fraction and also to fractions in the simplest form. C. 20%, 20 by 100, so it will become 0.20. So 20 by 100, if it is simplified, 0 and 0 is cut. In 2 table, 1 2s are and 5 2s are 10. D, 5%. So 5 by 100, it will become 0.05. So 5 by 100, when you simplify in 5 table, 1 5s are 5 and 5 2s are 10 with the 0. So 1 by 20. Question number 7. In a city, 30% are females. It is given in percentage. So 30% are females, 40% are males, and the remaining are children. What percent are children? So what is given in the question? Females are 30%, males are 40%, and the remaining are the children. We have to find out what is the percentage of children. So answer is, how many males, females and the males? There are 30% females and 40% male. So we have to find out the percentage of children. So it is given 30% and 40%. From the 100% we have to subtract the male and the female. So 100% minus 30% female plus 40% male. So 30% plus 40% will become 70%. So 100% minus 70% will become 30%. So there are 30% children in the city. Question number 8. Out of 15,000 votes in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. We have to find out the percentage first. So answer is, percentage of voters who voted is 60%. So percentage of voters who did not vote. From the 100% you have to subtract 60%. So you will be getting it 40%. So 40% of the voters did not vote. Second part is, can you now find how many actually did not vote? You have to give the in number. So total number of voters is 15,000. Number of voters who did not vote is 40% of 15,000. So 40 by 100 multiplied by 15,000. So 0 and 0 is simplified. 15 and 4 is multiplied means 60. So and 2 more 0. So the answer is 6,000. That thus 6,000 voters did not vote. Question number 9. Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, that is, that saving is 10% of the salary. The 4,000 is 10% of her salary. What is her salary? So salary we have to find out. So let Meeta's salary be rupees X. So what is given? 10% of her salary equal to rupees 4,000. So now we have to, what is 10%? Is 10 by 100 of our salary we have considered as X. So 10% of X equal to 4,000. So X equal to 4,000 into 100 by 10. 10 and 100 will be simplified. So we will be left with 10. So 4,000 into 10 will become 40,000. Thus, Meeta's salary is rupees 40,000. Question number 10. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So the total number of matches played in one season by the team is 20. It was given 25% of them was won. That is, percentage of matches won is 25. So we have to find out the number of matches. So number of matches won is 25% of 20. 25%. So 25 by 100 into 20. 100 and 20, 110 cut 10 and 2. You can simplify in 2 table one time, and 10 is 5 times and 5 5s are 25, or otherwise 25 by 10 is 0 and 0 cut 10 and 25 can be simplified. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, and 2 and 2 get simplified 1, therefore 5. So the local cricket team won 5 matches. The next topic is increase or decrease as percent. So percentage increase or decrease, what is the formula we'll use is amount of increase or decrease by the original value into 100. This is the formula I have to make use whether there is a decrease or the increase in the percent. So example is Vaishali scored 50 marks in the first UT is unit test and 70 marks in the second unit test. What is the percentage increase in her marks? So from the question itself it is understood that it is 20 marks she has increased in the second unit test. So increase in marks is 70 minus 50, that is 20 marks she has increased. So what is the original mark is 50 marks. So percentage increase is 20 by original mark. 20 is an increase or the decrease in percentage divided by 50 is the original mark multiplied by 100. 150 in 50 table 100 it will be 2 times, so 22 is 40. Hence there is 40% increase in our marks.